Why does your scanner show the P0507 engine code? What does it mean? P0507 is a diagnostic trouble code for idle control system RPM higher than expected. It indicates the idle control system has excessively high RPM. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Vacuum leaks. Dirty or faulty throttle body. Faulty idle air control valve. Faulty mass airflow sensor. Electrical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Nissan, Hyundai, Honda, Toyota, General Motors, and Subaru. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.